You can do more with white rice. You can put it on your chicken and fry it. Crispy rice coated chicken. So it's gonna be extra crispy and juicy. Because this rice needs to really stick to the chicken, I gotta create a dredge. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a few teaspoons of my house seasoning. That's paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. It goes well on anything. 3 eggs in this bowl. A half a cup of whole milk. Mix that up. Take my crispy rice cereal and put it in this bowl. I like to put just enough in there, but I'm gonna also have to crunch this up. This is definitely an unexpected way to use rice. All right, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to my rice cereal. All right, so I have 8 drumsticks. What I'm doing here is taking my drumsticks, coating it in the flour that I have seasoned with my house seasoning, putting it in the egg mixture with the milk, and then coating it with the crushed rice cereal. So you can only imagine how crispy this is gonna be. My chicken is coated. Gotta wash my hands, like I've been working. I have some peanut oil over here heated to about 350. That's the temperature that chicken or anything that you fries best at. I'm gonna fry these until they're golden brown. I like them when they're pretty and golden brown, and you don't wanna overcrowd your pot or your oil, because if you do that, it's not gonna fry evenly, and it'll take a long time for the chicken to cook. This is where I like to stop, right here. It's golden brown, it's juicy. I'm not gonna dry it out. I'm just gonna finish this off in the oven. I have my oven to about 350. I'm gonna add my next batch. Again, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna let these hang out until they come to temp. My chicken is done. Oh, now look at that. Perfectly cooked, rice-coated fried chicken. I want you guys to hear the crunch. Listen to this. Oh yeah. You can do more with white rice. You can put it on your chicken and fry it. Ooh, that is good.